Hello everyone, it's 11th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. The first page we have. In the first page we have Ukraine to meet allies, sent revised peace plan to US. Then we have amid renewed Cambodian-Thai clashes, over 500,000 displaced. Then we have European nations to discuss tightening of migration rules. Then we have US court allows unsealing of Epstein's grand jury records. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Delhi's offers best ever, but India hard nut to crack, says US trade chief. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have key part to be fixed before Dhruvs with Navy Coast Guard fly again. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have 7 to 10 years jail, collective punishment. Karnataka tables hate speech bill. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have far from Delhi IIT Madras researchers study how pollutants behave as they age. Again, very important for pollution perspective. Then we have Delhi police reviews standing order on ammonium nitrate. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have idea of poverty among Muslims needs to be corrected, says newspaper. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have Modi gets a call from Netanyahu, reaffirms India's support to Gaza peace plan. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have leopard attacks 7 in residential area in Nagpur, captured later. Again, very important for tiger conservation perspective. Then we have India's model for digital infra. It can become one of India IAI too. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have Amit Macaulay Rowe. Let's not forget India increasingly speaks in English to itself. Again, very important. Then we have Deepavali now on UNESCO's intangible cultural heritage list. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have the economy page where we have top 10% earners in India gets 58% of national income, bottoms half 15%. Then we have 766 units in SEZs closed in last 5 years. Then we have DCGA sets up oversight team to monitor network crew ops to Indigo headquarters. Then we have plan to invest $35 billion in India by 2030, says Amazon. All these news are very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have the explained page where we have in Australia social media ban template for the world. Again, very important for tech perspective. Then we have did US second tap a Venezuelan boat, the legal questions at play. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have a growing recognition how Diwali made it to the UNESCO's list. Again, very important for art and culture perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.